In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert an email in a PowerPoint presentation in Outlook. We'll cover two practical options: embedding an email so it opens from an icon right on your slide, and creating a clickable email link that starts a new message for your audience. I'll explain what each does and how to set them up clearly and reliably. First, let's embed an email as an icon. This is great when you want to show the original message during the presentation without pasting its entire content on the slide. In Outlook, open the email you want to include. Go to File, then Save As, and save it to your computer as either an Outlook message format file, which has the .msg extension, or as a rich text file with .rtf. Choose a clear file name and store it in the same folder as your presentation, so everything stays together if you move or share the deck. Now switch to PowerPoint and open the slide where you want the email. Go to the Insert tab and in the text group, click Object. In the dialog, select Create from File. Then browse to the email file you just saved. If you want a tidy, clickable icon instead of a big block of text, check Display as Icon. Click OK and the icon appears on your slide. You can move and resize it to fit your layout. During your slideshow, double-clicking that icon will open the original email in Outlook. Before presenting, test it on the computer you'll use, since some environments may show a security prompt, and make sure the email file hasn't been moved. If you are sending the presentation to someone else, include the saved email file alongside the PowerPoint so the link doesn't break. Next, let's add an interactive email link for things like a Contact Me button. Select the text or shape you want to turn into a link. Go to Insert, then Link, or press Ctrl+K. In the dialog, choose Email Address on the left. Enter the recipient's email address, and, if you like, add a subject line so the outgoing message is pre-filled and easier to sort. Click OK. When clicked, this link opens a new message in the audience's default mail app. Make the link easy to see with clear contrast and test it in slideshow view to confirm it behaves as expected. That's it. Embed an email to open the original message, or add a link to start a new one. Simple, tidy, and presentation friendly. Thanks for watching.